Students in the OECS will soon be taught from a 21st century curriculum. The OECS Commission, through the OECS Program for Educational Advancement and Relevant Learning, OECS Pearl, is leading the development of a new OECS harmonized primary school curriculum. It recently convened 75 senior education leaders and educators from 8 English-speaking member states for the OECS Curriculum and Assessment Summit to explore and secure agreement for an enhanced curriculum which integrates the 4 C's of 21st century skills: creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. The new curriculum will also promote life skills, digital literacy, experiential learning, civics, entrepreneurship, and global awareness so that young learners can become well-rounded and engaged citizens. This new curriculum will not only strengthen teaching and learning for improved student success, but it will also equip students with the competencies and dispositions required to prepare them for their future careers. In fulfillment of the OECS strategic priorities, this harmonized curriculum will foster regional integration, facilitate the movement of students and teachers across OECS territories, and improve education in the region against mutually agreed benchmarks of excellence. Also discussed at the meeting was the professional development and support that will be provided to educators as they implement the new teacher practices which support the vision for educated persons in the OECS. Elaborating further on the summit, the project manager for the OECS Pearl at the Education Development Management Unit OECS Commission, Mr. Rafa Gordon, had this to say.
So having all of these critical persons in one space to interrogate the issues related to curriculum and assessment and to think about the future of curriculum, it was essential that we had these conversations and engage in the kind of discourse that would help us to solidify the vision for the curriculum and put us in a position to be able to meet the needs of the students that we face today and those who are to come as part of the education system.
The 4-day OECS Curriculum and Assessment Summit was held in St. Lucia under the theme Reshaping OECS Education, Future-Proofing Curriculum and Assessment, in collaboration with the Global Partnership for Education through the OECS Program for Educational Advancement and Relevant Learning, OECS Pearl. It was also held with support from UNICEF and USAID through the OECS Digital Education Capacity Strengthening Initiative, OECS DESI. From the Communications Unit at the OECS, I am Malika Thompson-Snack, Communications Specialist, reporting.